I'm Stacy Lavish with Aura and Flow Yoga, and today we're going to be talking about anxiety reducing movement. Let's begin by finding a comfortable seated position on the floor. I have my hands facing upwards, and I begin to slowly breathe, just normally. Take a deep breath in. Blow it out your mouth. Let's do it again. Deep breath in. Blow it out your mouth. One last time. Seal your lips. Blow it out your nose. This is called Ujjayi breathing, where you breathe in and out of your nose. It's the cleanest breath, but it allows your parasympathetic system to relax. And as you're sitting here, relaxing into your body, grounded to the floor, just keep slowing your breath down. Congratulations, you've just held space for yourself and you've slowed down your breathing.